Today we talk about how can you fix this problem on your Dollar General app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do, so you just go down here. Then you click here on apps. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Then here can you are looking for here Dollar General app. Just click here on search, then you search for it, and here Dollar General, then you click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. You click here on first stop, then you click here on OK. So then you go down, click here on storage, then you click here on clear cache. So then all you have to do now, just go to your Play Store, click on it. Then here you search for Dollar General. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.